wait to show everyone my new doggo. He's very big, not that fluffy, but it's okay because everyone will love him. Right, boy?
Send help, please. I'm in danger.
That's right, boy. You are now my dog. Come on, let's go. Oh no, please, you are choking me. Please, no. Away! Very, very quiet little doggo. There's very little light coming in here.
Why do we have to be quiet?
Because, little doggo, there is a beast sleeping. Look at her. She is the most disgusting thing anyone has ever seen. Luckily, no one can see her because it's too dark.
Can we leave? I don't want to be around a monster. Please let us leave.
No, we have to stay here to touch things that don't include the monster.
I'm gonna die.
Yes, you are, little doggo, but don't worry, I'm here. Help. The beast is waking up. It's time to go away! Where are we now, little doggo? I sometimes question where I am.
We're outside.
No!
Don't be so overdramatic, man. We practically live outside.
No, we don't. We live inside. We have to get out. Don't you see? Trump's wall is over there. Look.
That's just a fence.
It's Trump's wall. It's freaking Trump's wall.
That's just a freaking fence. Get good.
Oh.
Also, why are you worried about Trump's wall? We're Americans.
I am secretly an illegal Mexican.
Now you say that. Come on, let's get out.
Alright, fine, I'll follow.
Really? And then instead of actually flying away like you always do, you just thought it was a good idea to follow me.
Alright, I do that. Alright, time to go, puppy. Away! Ah!
Ugh. Please stop manhandling me. Ugh.
Get to the chopper! That's not very nice!
It's not very nice to kidnap someone and then take them wherever you go.
It is very nice. How dare you think it's a bad idea to kidnap dogs and take them away? Die!
No, please.
Die! He's dead. Time to attend to my many duties. Away! Alright, I need a new dog. I set up this dog contest to help me find one. Now, which one of you wants to be my dog? I like the mood on this guy. Wait, why are you here? You're not even a dog. Yo, what up, dog? That is the most racist joke I've ever said. No, dog. Cause I'm black, and brown, and gray, and look like a girl. That technically does not make me a dog. I just came here just for snacks. Oh, well, the snacks are over there. Okay, thanks, dog. Alright then. Which one of you would like to be my dog?
I've been depressed for 6 days because my owner abandoned me.
Well, obviously not you. Get out of here.
Oh!
Alrighty then, you are now my new dog.
Alrighty then, you are now my new dog.
Alright, fine, I'll follow.
No, man. Do you have to talk like that all the time? Can we just change your voice?
You want me to be like a different voice guy?
Yes, please.
How would you like my voice to be?
Black guy.
Yo, what up, dog?
Perfect.
Now I'm going to talk like this for a few days until you die.
Until I die? What you talking about?
I'm gonna kill you one day.